Hi loves, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I double cleanse my face, and I'm using the cleansing oil from Anua Skincare, and this particular cleansing oil is the sensitive one. That Anua have two type of cleansing oil. So this is the one for sensitive skin. So in case maybe you want to get and your skin is kind of sensitive, you can go for this one. And I don't like double cleansing my skin all the time because doing it all the time can literally break your skin or damage your skin barrier. So I do it like once weekly, and today is the day that I'm double cleansing, so I decided to make this video for you guys to show you guys how I do it. So the first thing I do is that I go in with my cleansing oil, and after that I just apply a little bit of water on my ends, and I use it to just massage my face thoroughly. As you can see here, it's giving milky and watery effect on my skin. So I just go in gently and I just massage it into my skin very well, just to break out any excess oil I have on my skin, and also just give me that smooth skin. Then next thing I do, I go in with my foaming cleansing facial wash. Now this particular one is also from Anua Skincare, and you guys can see that I have been using this product like every day, because this one is just very gentle and it doesn't really dry out my skin. Like, I use this foaming cleanser every day and it's keep my skin moisturized. Like, it's going to clean my skin. It's just going to go to the deeper layer of my skin and remove all the excess oil and the sebums, and just help tighten my pores. But what is not going to do is that this particular facial wash is not going to dry out my skin, and it's still going to retain moisture on my skin, and that is the main reason why I use it every other day. And guys, I'm even running out of this particular product and I don't know what to do. Anua, you need to send me another one, because I love this particular face wash a lot, and I'm not even done yet, guys, but you can see how my skin is looking so smooth and so flawless. Like, I'm not even done with the process yet. Now I'm out of the shower, and the next thing that I will do is that I go in with my toner. Yes, even after double cleansing my skin, I still like using my toner, and this particular toner is from Anua, and it's the BHA 2% toner, and it's a very gentle exfoliating toner. I like using this toner because it is mild. It contains salicylic acid 2%, it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains sea ceramide and tea tree extract. So I use it to just fight the acne and dry out acne on my skin, and also to just get rid of the dark spot on my skin. So it's very good, and I use it like I use this particular toner like 3 times weekly. I don't use it every time, but I use it like 3 times weekly. And when I want to use it 3 times weekly, I use it in the morning and also at night. And I will also recommend that if you're using a particular toner, you can use it like mostly at night, because that's where you're going to get the full effect of using this particular toner. Now you guys can see that I just finished doing my double cleansing method, and I'm using this toner to cleanse my skin. But you can see that this toner is going to bring out a lot of dirty from my face, because this toner is gentle but it's powerful. Like, it is really powerful. Like, guys, this particular toner is very good. Like, take a look at the dirty is bringing out of my face. Like, for real, you guys can see. Now the next thing I do is that after using my toner, I go in with my face serum, and this particular face serum is from Beauty of Joseon. This is their glow deep serum, and this particular serum contains rice and alpha arbutin. Now I like using this particular serum because it targets the dark spot on my skin, and also the rice in it is just going to nourish my skin and also give that deep hydration to my skin. So that's the main reason why I love this particular serum, because it contains 2 key ingredients that are very good on the skin, and it's just going to leave my skin looking very soft and smooth and very glowing and that is what I am looking for right now. So I just use my hand to air dry. I don't really do too much when I'm doing my face care routine. I don't really do too much, honestly. Now that serum, I use it like every other day at night mostly. Then the next thing I do is that I go in with my treatment face cream. Now for the treatment face cream, I do not use it all the time, but when I want to use it, I just like put it on the areas that I have the dark spots, and I just blend it into my skin. Like, I don't really apply it all over my face all the time, but for today I'm just using it for my dark circles. I don't know, for some weird reason I've been having like less sleep, so it's just bring out this dark circle in my eyes, so that's what I use it for. Now I go in with my face moisturizer, and you guys know that I've talked about aloe vera gel a lot on my channel, and this particular aloe vera gel does it for me. Like, it really moisturizes my face, so that's what I use like every other day. If I don't want to use my other Cosrx all-in-one face cream, I go in with my aloe vera gel, and it just does it for me all the time. Like, I really like aloe vera gel. Like, you guys are sleeping on aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel every other day, even in the morning, even at night. You can use it to just give you that smoothing finish, that soft and glowing skin. And yeah, that's all we have for my face routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.